Alright, so I really think you are going to like this part. I think I'm going to like this part. Something that's really going to like liven up the car and make it more of a fun experience to drive. I'm trying to say enough without saying too much, but I guess without further ado, let's get into it. So, I've been going back and forth on whether or not I wanted to do a part like this, because again, I know nothing about cars. I know very little about cars, or not very little, but I'm average. I know that everything on the car from the manufacturer, yeah, I know my cutting skills aren't impressive. It's not like I do this every day at work. Either that or my blades dull now. But let's look. Oh, what else is dope? So yeah, if you guys couldn't tell by the calendar, BoomBa Racing. So hold on, let me get a better shot. BoomBa Racing. I didn't even know they were going to send me a calendar. This is cool. This is really dope. Like, they have some awesome cars in here too. I mean, if you guys couldn't guess by this, yeah, a little free advertisement. Alright, let's set that off to the side. Like I was saying, if you all couldn't guess what I got by the calendar, then you all are going to be pretty impressed. Huh, cool. They sent me some stickers, you know, plus 25 horsepower. All in all, the packaging's pretty good. Like, it's definitely, I like minimum packaging, because I always say you're just gonna throw it away anyway, so like, should just keep it simple. Alright. So, if you couldn't guess, I got a BoomBa Racing blow-off valve. In the packaging, or in the package, what comes with it is cable or tubing. I think it's for your vacuum line that comes off the stock blow-off valve, and the blow-off valve itself. Yeah, well, technically I didn't get a blow-off valve. I technically got a recirculating valve, because I want to maintain like peak performance. So I wound up going recirc instead of blow off like to atmosphere. This is cool. It's a cool little part. And no, this was not sponsored. I paid full price, but I still think it's a pretty cool part that's pretty good quality. Like, this thing is, here, let me get a closer view for you. I mean, for what it is, this thing is like pretty good quality. what's up, everybody? It's obviously a new day, and today's install day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a couple rollers for you right now. Well, not, I'm gonna try to do like get rollers. But yeah, we're gonna get a little before and after, and you know, see what the differences are. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we got my boy Jay here.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's me.
That's really what you want your first intro to be like? That's how you want the people to remember you?
Nah, seriously. What's going on, guys? It's me, Jamie, from the Jamie Shadow Show.
You just gonna throw a plug in there like that? Yeah, and anyway.
It's not called that, by the way.
Anyway, we'll get into that later. But anyway, we're going to catch some rollers of the stock recirc valve for you right now, and then go and do the install, and then go out and catch them after.
Hell yeah.
All right, catch you in the next clip. Alright, so it's kind of bright that way. So we got the current blow-off valve on, or recirculating valve, whatever you want to call it. Right, where is it? Can't see it on camera. Yeah, there you go. Right there. So I'll be taking that off and putting a new one on. Alright, let's get it. Apparently all I need are 3 8mm bolts. Let me see if I can brighten it up. Yeah, so down there, see the one bolt's a bolt there, a bolt on this side, and a bolt right there. I don't think there's any other bolts. Nope, doesn't look like it. Alright. I relinquish control back to Jay. Hey. I was about to say, you don't have to stand so far back, you can get closer. What happened to the 8mm bolt there? Or, here it is. What happened to the 8mm? I'm like, listen, I don't want it to be like the freaking 10mm. Oh, if I didn't want to do it, I'm doing it now because I just broke it loose. I should have got a longer extension. Like, slightly longer extension. I keep thinking I'm gonna burn myself. Like, no BS. I legit keep thinking, because like I was driving around trying to get a POV shot for you all, and I keep thinking, oh man, I'm gonna burn myself. These things were legit only like hand tight, because compared to some of the other stuff that I had to break loose, this thing is easy. Child's play.
I mean, much more easier than when we had to take the front grill off the first time.
I hate taking a bumper off of this car. I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, if you can, like all you out there in like YouTube land, if you can, try to get one of these. This thing is great. I didn't believe every other YouTuber saying, oh yeah, get a magnetized plate, but apparently they work. This is being a pain. And I gotta play Transformers just to get it undone. You know what? Hold up. I'm gonna go grab my actual wrenches because my intercooler piping's in the way. Fun. Hey, to be honest, when I go to change this, I'm just taking the whole front bumper off and probably just taking the intercooler piping out first, because
Ooh.
I knew I was going to do that. I guess this is what the flathead's for. Hey guys, this is supposed to be a 10-minute job.
Isn't that how it goes for any of our installations?
Oh,
It's only supposed to take.
we got it out. That's cute. I'm like, how does it, the spring's right there. Cool. Now the directions don't call for you using these, but I want to try to use them. Unless they just don't fit, which, yeah, I think they just don't fit. Yeah, the clip is like just too small. Oh well. I know I can reuse it on that side, so. This is going to be 10 out of 10, way more difficult than I thought it would be.
Was it just only one bolt that came off?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, at least we'll have 2 out of 3 until we get the other one.
Yeah. press the button down. The back. Yep. Thank you. I was talking all that junk earlier. Now I'm just trying to get this threaded in lightly. There we go. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, I learned this trick from watching That Dude in Blue. If you're afraid your bolt's going to come out and it's not magnetized, just take some like tissue or something, toss it over your socket, and then toss the bolt in, and it shouldn't go anywhere. Shouldn't be the key word. We gonna find out. If I drop this one, I give up. Ugh. Oh no, I can't find the hole. There it is.
You got it.
I just had to feel around a bit.
It'd be like that sometimes.
It'd be like that all the time.
Hooray!
Boom. Great load. It literally sounds no different. Like,
It's a little louder.
huh?
It's a little louder.
A little louder, but I mean, to me, it doesn't sound any different. There we go. So everything's on there. Everything's holding up pretty okay. I don't really notice a difference. Like Jay said that it was a little bit louder, but I'm like, eh. So it's cool. Don't know if it was worth the effort, but maybe if I make more boosts at some point, it'll be worth the effort, because I think I could change the springs in there. But as for right now, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Catch you later. Peace.